Beneath the open sky, where the wildflowers bloom, in the heart of the forest, there's no sense of gloom. With every rustle, with every breeze,